No, you do. Huh? I'm on a show.
Yeah.
The guy give me an IV.
They gave you an IV?
Says it's gonna take 20 minutes. It's only been 1 minute.
It's been 1 minute. They were fast. They were.
1 minute. I got to pat my headache's gone.
I'm glad your headache's gone. Man, that was hurting you.
You got 4 eyes. 2 mouths.
Good, I can tell you more.
No.
I'll tell you a whole bunch of stuff.
No. That means you can fight me.
Yeah, it's probably
No. I am a good guy.
You are a good guy, babe.
My tongue red,
Yeah.
bleeding.
Mm-hmm. You're bleeding a little bit.
That's alright though.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt, does it?
Nothing hurts me.
No, you're tough.
Captain America.
You're Captain America?